Survivors from the Lahaina wildfires could soon be getting some tax relief. The U.S. Senate today unanimously passed the Federal Disaster Tax Relief Act. It exempts relief payments from taxable income for victims of natural disasters received between January 1st, 2020 and December 31st, 2025. The key for Lahaina survivors, this bill eliminates the minimum 10% threshold to deduct disaster-related losses, the requirement to itemize deductions. Parts of the bill were introduced by Hawaii Congresswoman Jill Tokuda.
When they receive settlement payments, this is to make sure that it's not included in taxable income. We want every dollar possible to stay with them to be able to go towards what is most needed, which is rebuilding and recovery. It's trying to make sure that tax exemptions, are as easy to do as possible.
The bill now goes to President Biden for his signature. We've asked the Hawaii Tax Department whether relief payments are taxable at the state level, and we are waiting to hear back.